Southwest Florida. Get ready. Victor Distributing Company has transformed its Fort Myers facility into one of the region's most advanced LG HVAC training environments. Thousands of products, industry-leading support, and a commitment to helping contractors stay ahead of what's next. But great facilities aren't built overnight. They're built by skilled professionals. Every line set, every connection, every detail carefully engineered for the future of HVAC, featuring wall mount units, mid-static duct, four-way ceiling cassettes, low-wall consoles, and multi-position air handling units. The latest LG technology with R32 refrigerant, delivering greater efficiency, advanced performance, and next-generation comfort solutions. The new state-of-the-art training center gives contractors the opportunity to learn and train. Gain hands-on experience with real-world LG systems. Powered by LG. Built by Victor Distributing Company. Created for the future of our industry. The future of HVAC training is here and now. Are you ready to elevate your skills, grow your business, and reach the next level? Call Victor Distributing or visit the website to see upcoming training opportunities. Special thanks to the teams that helped bring this vision to life.